if the private insurance market doesn't work, then the government should provide health insurance for everyone. Didn't President Obama say during his campaign that people who had private insurance could keep it, but there would also be a public insurance plan for anybody who wanted to join?
His idea of a public plan is really publicly funded private insurance, which is like the insurance for congresspeople and the federal employees. They choose between private plans and the government pays part of the cost. But they still have to pay premiums, co-pays, and deductibles like in Massachusetts. The affordable plans have high out-of-pocket costs. Even if we had a public plan as an option, it wouldn't work. There wouldn't be savings because every health provider would still have to spend time and money dealing with the private insurance companies, and for-profit insurers always find ways to enroll only the healthiest people, leaving the public system with the sicker and more expensive patients. We need real national health insurance, one plan for all.
I agree. But if we leave it up to the lobbyists and politicians, you know they just give our tax dollars to the same companies who created this mess. It's welfare for the rich, and we can't afford it. They need the American people to give them a good dose of common sense, and it's people like us who have to do it. I'll invite all my friends over for coffee, explain it to them, and we'll plan a visit to our congressman.
And I'll write an article exposing the insurance industry. And I'll write a letter to the editor.
I'll start a blog in MySpace.
I'll smoke a joint. Goodbye. We're going to Canada to get the quintuplets separated. We'll hike through the mountains of Vermont and sneak across the border. We can't wait any longer for national health insurance. Ever since the hormones kicked in, those girls have been fighting so much that pretty soon we won't need a surgeon. They'll just rip each other apart.
I'm going to. What kind of country arrests doctors for speaking up about the needs of their patients? Now I'm a fugitive from injustice and can't even go back to my office. All I want is to be a simple family doctor without worrying where the money will come from. I can do it in Canada. Who knows if it will ever happen here? You can have my car, Rosa.
It's sad to be the only developed country in the world, and one of the richest too, that doesn't have health care for every boy and girl. It's a shame, it's insane, it's cuckoo, cuckoo, cuckoo.
Of Canada we're jealous, this insanity compels us to say goodbye to you. So long, farewell, auf Wiedersehen, goodbye. I want to work under the open sky.
So long, farewell, sayonara, adieu. To care for patients is all I want to do.
So long, farewell, adios, hasta la vista. I really hope that Canada has pizza. Goodbye.
So long, goodbye, Canada so far. I don't know why we can't just take the car.
So long, farewell, we really mean goodbye, 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 goodbye.
Oh, it feels so good to be in the great outdoors. Only 100 miles more and we'll cross the Canadian border. Have you seen a doctor? Black hair, white coat, blue stethoscope?
Nope. Nobody up here but just me and my goats.
Have you seen her? Have you seen her?
No, she went the other, I think she went to Mexico.
She's wanted by Homeland Security. Well, I'll be back.
Oh no, it's Dr. Maria. She's going to Canada. Oh, this is so terrible. It took us so long to recruit a doctor, and now we're going to be without one again. I must overcome my shyness. It's now or never.
High on a hill sang a lonely goat herd.
Single pair's what we need.
Loud was the voice of the lonely goat herd.
No more corporate greed.
Folks in a town that was quite remote heard.
One single plan from cradle to the grave.
Lusty and clear from the goat herd's throat heard.
Think of all the money we'll save.
Healthcare is a basic human right, not just for people who can pay. No more insurance for a profit. Tomorrow is a brand new day.
A businessman trying to stay afloat heard.
Private delivery, public pay.
Men on a road with a load to tote heard.
Choose your own doctor, hooray!
Healthcare is a basic human right, not just for people who can pay. No more insurance for a profit. Tomorrow is a brand new day.
Some fishermen out in their boat heard.
Same benefit for all, that's fair.
Little old ladies in their overcoats heard.
Vision and dental and long-term care.
Healthcare is a basic human right, not just for people who can pay. No more insurance for a profit. Tomorrow is a brand new day.
From every mountain top and steeple, the word was passed along to call up your Congress people and sing the single-payer song.
Healthcare is a basic human right, not just for people who can pay. We want single-payer health insurance and we want it yesterday.
Politicians needing
Votes heard
till the phone rang off the wall and passed national health insurance.
Now we got Medicare for all.
What's that I heard? Someone singing?
They passed Medicare for all.
Turn back, kids. We don't have to leave.
Healthcare is a basic human right, not just for people who can pay. No more insurance for a profit and we don't have to move away. If you want single-payer health insurance, help us build a movement strong to drown out the sound of moolah. Join us now and sing along.